We are so happy to be here today in the manifestation of our dreams as we are creating our reality show and bringing together many beautiful, talented artists to share all of our different arts in the tantric arts, the healing arts, also the technological arts of VR, and bringing it all into live and video and filmmaking so that we can share with all of our viewers how to live a regenerative lifestyle that actually starts from within, regenerating our life force energies from the biological standpoint of regenerating the endocrine glands and all of the energetic systems so that we can continuously harvest our sexual energy and turn it into youthful longevity life force energy. This is my dream come true.
Okay, we're gonna be bringing heat into our hands. We're gonna be doing some energy work. The most beautiful energy in the world is Kundalini energy, sexual energy, life force energy, chi. It's all the same stuff. In Star Wars, they call it the Force. So from here, you move your hands by 1 centimeter, so you create this almost like two magnets repelling each other. Imagine Iron Man has his arc reactor. Then you bring that arc reactor into the heart of your palm and into the divine goddess. So taking a deep breath into your heart and exhaling with sound. And a deep breath into your belly and exhaling with sound. And taking a deep breath into your sacred space with an orgasmic sigh of relief. Beautiful. And during this, you want to make the sound relaxing into your body. And I'm going to be applying a nice earth grounding touch. So I'm applying pressure on the major muscle groups, avoiding the joints, using the element of earth from the calves to the legs, the upper thighs, the hips. You can see some on the body. There are mountains and valleys, and we fit together like Lego. And from the element of earth, we have a watery touch. Something very fluid. And you're bringing in the energy of sensuality. From here, we're going to bring in some of that fire energy. Using the 4 elements, just awakening the body. And we're cooling it down with a beautiful air touch. You're just applying a very light touch. And you could also bring in a beautiful breath work where you could breathe on them. There are two types of breaths. We call it the ice dragon and the fire dragon. And another one which is is a little journey through the elements of earth, water, fire, and air. How's your little tantric soiree?
Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't wait for us to have the whole group doing this.
Yes.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Amazing.
Join us. Winter solstice. With Shaft, the Tantric Sex Guru, and Rainbow G. Checking in here with the Tantric Ministry. Ow!
Ready to embark on your own transformational journey? The tools used on the Shaft Show are now within your reach. Welcome to the Netflix of Tantra. Here you can access the courses that inspired incredible changes in our contestants. Explore courses like Yoni Mapping, the 1-month Semen Retention course for male entrepreneurs, and the foundational courses like Boundaries and Consent and Conscious Touch, and so much more. All designed to elevate your personal development journey to a whole new level. Want to dive deeper? Then it's time to invest in the Shaft method, this revolutionary new technology for personal development. Take charge of your life and start singing, I love my life, I love my body, I love myself. The Shaft method is your path to transformation. Join us on this incredible adventure. The Shaft Show was just the beginning.